I'm Lisa Vondrasek from the Archives and Special Collections of the University of Minnesota. I am the curator of children's literature, and today we have
Megan Coker, and I'm the curator of the Doris Kirshner Cookbook Collection in McGraw Library on the St. Paul campus.
And today you brought two books to talk about. We're
Yes.
saying giving for
Yes,
presents
these
for
would
the
make great gifts, and possibly early gifts if people like to do holiday baking was my theme. And so the first one I brought was this year's, one of this year's James Beard Award winners, Sukar, by Greg and Lucy Maloof. And this is a book of Middle Eastern inspired desserts, and everything in here looks gorgeous.
Okay, we're
Okay,
gonna hold that up.
So there's some chocolate halva ice cream.
Oh my.
Yeah, and let's find
Say
the
a
page we
few
were looking
words
at.
about what halva is.
Oh,
Okay, then I will.
you do it.
I'm in love with halva. It's a candy sweet made from ground sesame seeds.
Yes.
And it is so delicious. And now you can go to the grocery store and you can get halva. Usually you had to go to a delicatessen.
Ah,
And so this is halva ice cream. I can't wait.
yeah. And then here we were looking at, this is a plum souffle and strawberry rose pavlovas. There's a panna cotta. There are some candies in the back that would look just gorgeous on a tray.
Wait,
Here's
what's
coffee meringues.
So tell me about this. So have you ever made a meringue?
Yes. They're actually pretty easy to make. Mostly you just leave them in the oven on a low temperature for a long time.
So it's egg whites.
It's egg whites.
Whipped up.
Yep.
Do I need a special blender or anything, or just mixer?
Just a mixer.
Okay.
Yeah, I would recommend a mixer and not doing it by hand.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So that's meringue. So this is sugar. I don't even know who the publisher is. Hardy Grant.
Yeah.
And
And if you are giving this for a gift, make sure that it's for someone who really loves baking and has like a kitchen scale, because it is, they do use British measurements, so you'll need to measure out the grams and not just
that's
your
an
cups.
excellent warning.
Yes.
It's a beautiful book. You don't need to give me one. And here we have.
This is Holiday and Celebration Bread in 5 Minutes a Day by our local author Zoe Francois and Jeff Hertzberg.
Wait,
And-
wait. Holiday breads, 5 minutes. I don't get it.
Well, if you are not familiar with these books, Zoe Francois started putting out these books. The Artisan Bread in 5 Minutes a Day was the first one, and it was, this method for spending a little bit of time each day on your dough to make these great artisan breads.
Making it's a dough you keep around.
Yes.
Oh.
So, yes. So with your
Oh.
dough, here are all of these holiday breads, and
Oh, show us the end papers.
oh yeah, they're beautiful.
So this gives you a hint of what's coming up.
Yes, there's beautiful braided breads.
And there's a
and-
challah, and is this cinnamon buns?
It looks like it.
Yeah.
Or, yeah, there's some nuts in there. There's kolache. There's,
Wait, what's kolache?
it is like a little seed-filled. There's donuts. I just passed. Oh, look at
Here,
that.
let's show a picture.
Okay. Look at
So
that
this
Easter
looks
bread.
like an Easter bread.
Yes.
Yeah.
So these are for, it is all kinds of holidays and celebrations that are covered in here. So you'll find all sorts of things.
It's a hardy book too.
It is, but if you have someone in your life who loves to do the holiday baking, this is a great book to have
And
for
someone
them.
who perhaps has been giving you beautiful homemade bread.
Mm-hmm.
This would be the perfect gift for them.
Yes.
Oh, well, thank you. That's all the time we have for this episode of Read This Book, and I look forward to our next visit.
All right.